since the outbreak of COVID-19. This company sent engineers aboard for the first time to Saudi Arabia to provide technical guidance and training to the local agent team. After Leisuwash installation engineer arrived in Saudi Arabia, he quickly put into the installation of equipment. With full cooperation of agent's installation team, on October 30, 2022, it only took 3 days to install two 360 o'clock car wash machines and successfully put into use. After that, without breaking, on 5 days to install two 360s and 2 DGs. With the efficient assistance of local agent UMA, we successfully completed this trip from Breda to capital Riyadh and then to Daman with an astonishing installation speed, and greatly strengthened the communication and cooperation between us and the agent, and ordered 5 Leisuwash 360 automatic car wash machines again.